From the Directorate of Strategic Communications is very simple. We're looking for something that will engage Nigerians and capture our imagination. As a young man, I suffered shege from malaria. So we picked the concept of mosquito. You'll be seeing it as we go on. Mosquito looks very tiny, but mosquito is very deadly. And when you are sick, what do you need to do? Your first instinct is how to recover. So we are presenting a recovery message, recovery agenda. And who best to do it? A man who has done it in public and private life, His Excellency Atiku Abubakar GCON, and his vice presidential candidate, a medical doctor who knows the importance of right diagnosis. So we've diagnosed our problems. Nigeria must recover from insecurity, from lack of unity, from all manners of debilitating problems that can be solved. So we have the most experienced candidates in the race today. Nobody in Nigeria will argue with us that Atiku Abubakar and Governor Okowa have the requisite knowledge of what to do. And that is why we are here today. Thank you so much.